Hi, Bill from CJ's here with a hood-mounted turn signal kit fitting your 2013 through 2014 Mustang from Starkey Products. These hood-mounted turn signals are a great throwback to the original hood-mount turn signals found on the optional 67 through 68 hood. These are going to fit your 2013 through 2014 Mustang GT with the factory hood extractors or the 2013 Boss 302. The kit's going to include a pair of the amber turn signal indicators and all necessary wiring along with detailed wiring instructions for installation. The hood-mounted turn signals are going to stick onto your factory heat extractor, so while they're designed for the factory ones, they'll fit many aftermarket hoods as well, so Starkey includes detailed wiring instructions for 2005 and up.